You're missing out if you haven't played POPUCOM yet, and the best part? Getting it on your device is super easy. I'll show you exactly how to download and install it, step by step. POPUCOM is a fast-paced, puzzle-filled co-op adventure that throws you into a colorful, chaotic world where teamwork and timing are everything. From vibrant levels to clever puzzles and fun enemy mechanics, this game keeps the action fresh and exciting, whether you're playing solo or with friends. Let's get straight into how you can download it right now. There are 2 easy ways to do it. First, I'll walk you through the full process right here in the video. You'll see exactly where to get the game, whether you're on PC or console, and how to install it without any issues. Just follow along with the steps, and you'll be playing in minutes. Second, if you want something quicker to reference or prefer a written guide, there's a full setup tutorial linked in the description. It includes a direct download link, install instructions, and even tips for fixing common problems if anything goes wrong. Everything's laid out clearly so you can get straight into the fun without wasting time. But if you hit a snag or need help, drop a comment. I reply fast and I've got you covered. If you want more download guides like this or need help with another game, let me know in the comments. I'll make it happen. Hit like if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more fast and clear game tutorials just like this one. Links, resources, and everything you need are in the description. Go enjoy POPUCOM, and I'll see you in the next one.